everyone, Chris from Computer Stuff here. So while we were recording the Tineco S5 review, we did a demonstration where we were trying to suck up a screw. It ended up getting caught in a little crevice in the brush head and ended up wreaking havoc on one of the brush rollers. So we're just sort of releasing this little teaser video calling it the Tineco versus the screw. Basically, don't suck up screws with your Tineco. Screw you, Tineco. And by the way, in full fairness to Tineco, they did replace the brush roller absolutely hassle-free and free of charge, which was a really nice customer service touch. But anyway, if we've already posted the full review, you might want to just go ahead and skip ahead and watch the full one. But otherwise, here's a little teaser video just in case. Here's an interesting update. So I was vacuuming and I started noticing the brush was shedding. You can see parts of the brush there on my carpet. And if we come over to the vacuum here, it's all wet on the damn floor. There is a big bald spot on the roller, but it is only to be assumed from that screw. So, Jesus Christ, it really tore the shit out of this thing. I don't mean to be like, I mean, that is not a big screw. And look at the damage it caused to the roller. God. The opening at which this thing is sucking in is only, well, that's about, maybe like 1.5 inches. I mean, look at all the destruction in there. I mean, it must have gotten caught in one of these little like ridges here. So, pro tip, don't use a screw on this.